Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody. I am Nasih Ulwan. Today I gonna to show you how to make healthy juice. Here we go. Firstly, we need to prepare all the ingredients. 1 piece of orange for vitamin C. A cup of fresh milk for calcium. A spoon of sweetened creamer for sweet flavor, and a glass of cold water. Secondly, put all the ingredients into a blender. Make sure to wear a proper suit. Blend for around 1 minute. Once ready, pour the juice into a glass and add a little ice if needed. Ta-da! Finally, my healthy juice is now ready to drink. So yummy! Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.